Welcome to the Ovesco Training Campus. Our core competence lies in the development of endoluminal procedures and technologies to improve the quality of patients' lives worldwide. A well-thought-out training concept has always been an integral part of our philosophy. As our product portfolio grows, so too does the importance of teaching the procedures. Our aim is to provide the best possible support to medical teams and nursing staff in learning about and using our innovative solutions. The Ovesco Training Campus makes this possible. Several times a year, we welcome participants from different clinics around the world to our training courses. All courses start with the theoretical basics and important aspects of the procedures. However, the focus of the course is on extensive and intensive hands-on training. Using specially designed training models, you will have the unique opportunity to perform the procedures yourself with our support. In addition to the training courses, we also organize workshops as part of congresses or on request at your hospital. In this way, your entire team can be trained together. Your feedback is very important to us in order to continuously improve the quality of our courses. Together with our course participants, we are constantly evolving to take medical care to the next level. But the Ovesco Training Campus offers more than just training courses. Over 750 publications from users around the world prove the effectiveness of our products and procedures. Our scientific information service provides you with a compact selection of important publications and presentations on various topics. Register now to keep up to date. You will also find recordings of exciting webinars in which users talk about their experiences with our products and procedures and present relevant clinical data. Whether you want to refresh your knowledge or see how to use one of our products, the Ovesco Training Campus is the place to be. You will find assembly and application videos, useful tips and tricks for using the products, as well as many clinical case studies. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to develop your skills and familiarize yourself with the latest procedures in the field of endoscopy. We are happy to support you and look forward to your visit to the Ovesco Training Campus, either digitally or on-site. Enhance your skills, shape the future of endoluminal endoscopic treatment with us.